Hi, my name's Laura. So I'm recovering from that flu. I've had like a week now. I'm supposed to be in uni today, but I feel like shit. So I didn't go. Well, actually I overslept a lot because I felt like shit. So I'm gonna try and get some reading done. I'm currently reading Devil's Footprints by John Burnside. Got like 30 pages left, so I should finish that in a minute. Weird book. Very weird. Don't know if it's going to be very memorable, but I'm enjoying it. The second half took a weird Lolita-esque twist. Wasn't really expecting that. So I'll come back to you when I finish that. And then later on I have a commission I need to do of 2 doggos, which I'm looking forward to. I have started the drawing. I just need to finish the drawing, paint it, etc. I also have some uni work to do and with tidying. Joys. May pop to the library if I feel like leaving the house, but my head's still banging. My nose is running. And last week I left the house one day and I was feeling a bit shit, like today. And then when I came back, I had the sweats, like you wouldn't believe, but I was also cold. And then I had a nosebleed when I came in. It's like, what? So yeah. May leave the house if I feel like it, because I want to go to the library, even though I've got thousands of books. The books you don't have are the ones you will want to read more. That's the reality that we live in. And I'm on a book buying ban this year, so I can't actually buy new ones, so I have to make do with the library, which, you know, I'm fine with, but the struggle is real. Should probably like read some of these or them ones over there, or the ones in the other room or upstairs first. Don't judge me. Forgot me burn. Oh, that's cold. Anyway, I'm gonna read some of my book. My book. I really enjoyed that. Weird. Very introspective and gothic. It's going to be one of them that I'm going to have to think about for a few days before I review. Goodreads. Quite slow paced. Enjoyed it. I love the cover. It's kind of like a lino print texture. It's by John Spencer, if anyone's interested. Thirsty bitch. That's better. So the library's closed because it's now like 6:30. Yeah, I haven't left the house today, but the reason I'm wearing makeup is to make myself feel better, okay? I think I'm gonna do some tidying, and then I'm gonna crack on with the commission, and then uni stuff. So, see you in a bit. Come on, come and get your dinner. There you go, Sims. You know what's that? It is raining so bad right now. I've just had a nap. I got my nails did today. Nice gel. It's Wednesday now and I need to do some artwork because I didn't get to do any yesterday. It ended up being a busy day, so I'm gonna get some stuff done. I need to get a bath. And how cute is my top, by the way? It's like a peplum. I don't know, I just liked it. Some 1-minute warm-ups.
Like, are there to help you in a way and not to just put you down. Yes.
it a bit windy for you, girl? I know it's a bit windy, isn't it? Yeah. Stanley likes the park.